In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download any Twitter video of your choice directly to your phone. This is going to be a short tutorial, so stay to the end to make sure you don't miss anything. All right, let's head over to Twitter and find a video we want to download. For the purpose of this video, I'll be trying to download one of WizKid's videos. So I'll just head over to the search bar and type in WizKid. To make finding the video easier, I'll select Media to find a video. Now here's a video we can download. To download this video, click the video. Now look at the share icon below. Select it and copy the link of the video. Now head over to your browser and search for savefrom.net. Here, where it says enter the URL, paste the link of the video you copied. Your video is now ready to be downloaded. You can adjust the size of the video by 720p, 360p, and 270p. I would recommend you stick with the highest at 720p to get better quality of video. Once you've selected that, select the download button. You might be redirected to an ad. If you are, go back to the original page and select download. Long press the video and you will see the download video option. And that's it, guys. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in my next video.